Parker or Parker Systems was formed in 1966 and has been a leading supplier of ground-to-air civil and military radios throughout that period. So our products are principally for air traffic control for civil and military markets. Our military radio is designed for the military environments. It's designed for ground installations and also naval installations. Designed and tested to the MIL standards for shock, vibration, and all of those environmental conditions. It's full 100 to 400 megahertz radio, and it comes with options for both HAVQuick and the latest Saturn voice communication standards. We've got a history of supplying our M7 radios to the Brazil Navy and also to the Brazilian Air Force, and they've been installed in a range of naval applications. We're also, in addition to our military portfolio, we, for instance, here in Brazil, we've got full national coverage for ground-to-air communications with the Brazilian Air Force. Our strategy is to build on the success that we have. We establish good relationships. We see ourselves as a caring supplier and flexible to our customers' needs. And so our strategy really is to build on that as we grow within the region.